In this video, I will show you how to create a order for an event planner customer. When the customer comes into the store, this is where you will use the event planner retail customer that you set up earlier in the training. So this will be used for creating all event planner orders, as they do not have the ability to create the orders themselves as the wholesale customers do. So with this, I come in and I have the Event Retail Wyoming customer that we set up earlier in training. And I will go through and start an order. Make sure that I have the correct store selected, and it's pick up at the store. And because of the time of day, I'm not able to create a same-day order. If I was going to create a same-day order, I'd be able to highlight today, and it would show that there'd be a $3 fee associated with the same-day order. Because we are doing it for next day. Now that I started the order, I can go through and I can search. In this video, I will show you how to create an event planner order. With this, you will use the event planner retail customer that you set up for your store. So this is going to be a customer number that will be used quite often for all event planner orders that you create through the online ordering system. This is the process that replaces the express orders for the event planner customers. So let's start out with selecting customer. And I will be going in and placing an order for the Appleton event planner customer. So just validate, always validate you have the right customer. Event Retail, Appleton. So with this, I want to start the order. And validate that it's assigned to your correct store, Appleton. And with this, I have pickup, so I want to go through and I want to make sure that I'm just looking at my store items. So I just click the In My Store filter, and now I'm showing products that are in the store. So I ordered one piece, average 10-pound piece for beef roast. I'm going to go through and with this, as we set the preferences the first time, so I'm just going to make sure that the preferences is active, mandatory PO field. So you see, because it is a mandatory PO number, it does say required here. If I try to submit it without a PO number, it's going to force me to put in a PO number. It's missing the PO number. And so for event planner customers, the standard that we are going to follow to place an event planner customer, very similar to how you did it in the PO maintenance within the Agora system. You're going to use the phone number. And then you'd want to get a first name and possibly a last name of who the order is for. I'm just going to go with Terry Jade. That, and I'll show you once we get into Workbench on what that's going to come up. That'll come up in the PO field to be able to sort for these types of orders relatively quickly. And I'm going to submit the order. Notifications. There are no notifications for Event Planner. Do not set up any notifications. So that is key. You do not want to have any notifications set up for an event planner because you're reusing the same customer number for multiple customers. It saves the notification and all future orders will go to this notification. So that is a key point. Do not fill in the notifications for your event planner orders that you're pushing through. So just press the continue button. And now that we've submitted an order, you'll see that the order has been processed and confirmed. The order is showing here, one line successful. We can then go continue shopping. And if I look in our order history, there is the order right there. I can see that it was submitted for pickup on the 12th and should be ready for 7 a.m. Central Time. So this is important because I could be placing the order after hours and this order will be sitting in the inbox, and the first thing you need to do in the morning when you come in is check to see if there are orders that need to be picked. As I go through, and let's create another order for our next customer. So let's start a new order for tomorrow pickup as well. And let's get some This customer's looking for some hot dog buns. Let's make sure they got them in the store. And we'll pick up a package of hot dog buns. And we're going to go through and submit it, and it's going to require a PO number again. So with this, I can go through and submit the order. Validate the notifications. There is no numbers in for notifications for the event planner. Go through and submit the order. One thing nice now when you're looking at history, as you start creating these event planner customers, if you have a event planner customer that does reoccurring orders, you can always go through and search by their phone number. And it will filter out all the orders that apply to that phone number. And so this is, if you have the same customer, you can go through and you can see, you can view the order details. That's right there. You go back to history, you can go through and you can copy this order back into the cart. It'll ask you for a date, and you can duplicate this order for next time, and they'll come through. It'll pull in the same PO number again, and you can go through at this point in time. If they wanted this, you can also go in and continue ordering and say they wanted to pick up some hot dogs as well. On. And we'll order one of these. And I will submit this order. There we go. That is it. In a separate video, I will go into Workbench and show you how these orders appear in Workbench.